In this video, I'm going to be doing a full step-by-step tutorial of how you can actually make money with affiliate marketing. This is going to be a free tutorial, so please make sure that you're going to be watching the entire video. Hello, my name is Diana Castillo, and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently. I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can actually make money with affiliate marketing. This is going to be 100% free tutorial. Okay. But do not underestimate the power of this video. By the way, guys, if you're really serious about making money online, check the very first link in the description with my number one recommendation to make money online. So now let me share with you my screen because I have a little presentation for you because there are a couple of things I would like to share. Okay, as I mentioned before, here I'm going to show you how you actually going to make money with affiliate marketing. This is going to be 100% free tutorial. Okay, but you need to understand this. This is a business. Okay, this is a business model. So you need to treat this as a business. If you want to have really good results, you need to respect your business. You need to be committed with yourself. You need to be committed with your success. Okay. But if you're not serious about your business and you're treating it as like a hobby, then that's the reason why people are not getting the results they're expecting. Okay. Because they're not committing with themselves. They're not committing with their success. They are doing whenever they feel like it. Okay. So that's why I put this pretty big, as you can see here. Okay. So now, which are the steps that you need to follow in order to make money with affiliate marketing? Number one, you need to pick a niche. Okay. There are tons of products out there that you can start promoting, but a confused mind do not take any kind of action. So if you don't pick a niche and you start promoting anything and everything, people are not going to make a decision. Also, they're not going to connect with you because they don't know exactly where you're going to be talking about. So you need to pick a niche. You need to make sure that you're going to feel or you're going to actually choose something that you feel passionate about. I'm going to be talking more about that, but also you need to make sure that this is actually a profitable niche. Okay, right now, the top niches, if you want to earn money online, are health, wealth, and relationships. Why? Because people are looking for a transformation. They are looking to solve a problem that they have. And here is where you are, okay, helping them, okay, with their problem. Okay, you're going to be helping them with their problem and you're going to be offering the solution. Okay, so you need to take this into consideration, guys. Okay. You need to take this into consideration. The most reputable niches are health, wealth, and relationships. But do not scar just the surface and be like, okay, I'm going to be talking about everything related to health. No, you need to go down into that niche. For example, let's say that you're going to be focused on how to lose weight. Okay. That's a really big, niche, but maybe you can go a little bit down. Maybe you're like, okay, I'm going to be talking all about keto diet, or I'm going to be just focused on women who want to lose weight. Okay. So it's really profitable. It's really target and people, can connect with you. Okay. Also, and this is something really important. Why I mentioned the fact that you need to be passionate about and put attention to this. I don't mention, or I'm not saying that you need to be an expert, but you need to understand that you need to be committed to create content about it. So chances are that this is something that you like. So you're doing a research about it and it's not like doing a homework. It's something that you really like reading, watching videos about it, creating content about it. Okay. Because, you know, this is a great business model. You can choose pretty much whatever you want to promote and you're going to be earning money. Okay. But again, you need to be consistent. You need to be committed with yourself. You need to respect the business. Okay. So don't be thinking about quitting. That's another thing. If you don't like your niche, you're going to be like tired, like, hey, I really don't like this. This is not what I was expecting. I better, you know, change my niche to another thing or go with the shiny object syndrome. That's what I don't want for you. Okay. So please make sure that you pick something that you are passionate about. Okay. Now we're going to be talking about products. Okay. You need to be, you need to choose a product. Okay. Where you can find products, I'm going to be talking about these two platforms. The first one is Amazon. A lot of people know about Amazon. Um, Chances are that you already make a purchase on Amazon. For example, here I have this laptop that I was looking for because I'm looking to replace the one that I'm currently have. So as you can see, I have all the information here, the prices. I can customize it and all stuff. But here at the top, you are going to see that I have the influencer and associate side stripe. Okay, so here I can grab my link. Okay, that's my affiliate link that I'm going to be sharing with people. So whenever they click on this link and make the purchase, I'm going to be earning money. Okay, literally, you can promote anything and everything that is actually here on Amazon. Okay, another website that you can go because this one it's all about physical products. It's called ClickBank. ClickBank has a combination of physical and digital products. Okay, you can find supplements, but also you can find courses, guides, ebooks, PDFs that you can actually promote. So as you can notice here, you can join and you can be an affiliate. Okay, they has been around for a pretty long time. Okay, so pretty much you can find everything you're looking for on these two products. Are there other products or are there other websites that you can promote? By the time recording this video, more than 80% of the companies do have an affiliate program. So literally you can put the name, the plus symbol, and affiliate program. Okay, and you're going to find it. Okay, or you can go to other marketplaces like JVZoo, Warrior Plus, Commission Junction, and others. Okay, so now what what else do we need? Okay, remember, you guys, like if you're really serious about learning this, I'm going to be leaving a link below. Okay, so we also need traffic. These can be paid traffic or these can be organic traffic. So that means that we need eyeballs. We need people who are going to be, you know, we need to attract them. You can be paying using, for example, Instagram ads, Facebook ads, uh, YouTube ads, Google per se, or other ad networks, or you can actually create organic content. These can be short form content or these can be evergreen. Short form content right now, Facebook Reels, TikTok, Instagram Reels, grab or create a 5 to 7 second videos, less than a minute as well works. And people, are going to get connected with that. They're going to consume it really fast. And if they're interested, they're going to be asking for more information. But the thing with the short form content is that they skyrocket super fast, but then they die. So I also make a combination with evergreen content. Evergreen can be like this YouTube video, a blog. It takes time. Okay. But once I upload a video, for example, for YouTube, um, you know, it's going to be there and people are going to keep looking for information about this topic every single day for the years to come. So it's evergreen. Okay. It doesn't disappear. It's going to be there. Something really important, guys, is that you need to give valuable information. Okay. This is related with what I was talking about with the fact that you need something that you feel passionate about. So you're going to be sharing your knowledge, what you learn, your expertise, how it actually changed your life and all this stuff. Okay. But when you're doing, traffic, don't forget about the call to action. Okay, don't forget about the call to action. This happens a lot whenever people are actually creating a short form content. Okay, so I hope you find this information helpful. Please let me know if you're going to start with affiliate marketing. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and I see you guys on the next video.